That was a good pickle.
Okay.
Start. Did you start?
I started. I kept it on.
Oh, that's nice. The slime.
I smell something good.
Shut up. We're doing a video.
I want to get some finish. Noodles. Okay.
Now, Cameradan, we need to stick to this.
I ain't no camera. Okay. We're gonna do the review now. You're starting out with stupidness.
Yeah, you are stupid. Now anyway. Today I'm gonna be showing you. Today I'm gonna be showing you my crazy hip Lego pneumatic engine. You're not allowed to look at the light.
Okay.
So I got my air pump here. So this is just like newfangled.
That's a fat air pump.
Yeah.
Oh, are you serious? That's all it does.
Yeah, it spins. So you can pop this off here and flip the cover off. Oh, honey, show me your winners. Yeah. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's spicy. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at all them cores in there. So basically,
That looks too complicated.
I don't give a crap.